All right, let's take this up, guys. Let's do it in blue. X to the 5. That's X. Oh. 5 subtract 1 is 4, and this is 1, so no, this would be X to the 4. This one here is going to be 6 subtract this one here. Oh, sorry. Yikes. Let me try that one again. This one here is going to be x6 minus 1, so that's not good because that's 7. How about this one here? We have -3 minus 4 plus 4. That's going to be 8 minus 3. That's 5. Yep. So that will be B. 8 to the -6. Which one is that? Well, right away, I'm just looking at this guy right here. 8 to the -6 is going to be like that. Okay, it's on the bottom. If you move it to the top, it's -6, vice versa. What is that equal to? They're multiplying, so you add. Just be careful with signs. So you get 5 cubed, which is this guy right here, A. Negative, flip, and then go from there. D. Okay, square the top, square the bottom. We're going to clean this guy up, and we'll get, let's deal with this first. So we got 12 minus 4, 12 squared, 12 minus 3. Make sure I didn't, there, yep. And so that'll be 4. So here we have 12 minus 4 plus 2 minus 3, which is 12 minus 4 plus 5 is 1. That guy right there. Okay, let's think about that again. Do it a different way here. -4 plus 2 is -2. This is going to be -3, so minus. So we'll end up with 12 to the power 1, which is that guy there, which is D. So a little bit of fun there. That's 5. Question 6, evaluate this guy. Worry about the 4s, worry about the 5s. 4 minus 2 minus 3 is 1 times 5 minus 3 minus 1 is -2. Okay, so we're subtracting each of these, which is then 4 over 5 squared, which is 4 over 25, which is A. This is the third root of 64. So what times itself gets you 64, and that's A. Okay, you can try that in your calculator. You can do a bunch of different things, but that's the third root. Or just go 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. You can do it that way, work backwards. This guy here is going to be negative 125, and we have the exponent 4 on there, and the 3 is the fraction, so we have minus 125 all to the power of 4/3, which is this guy here. Okay, and we'd have the bracket here too. So that's D. That's a hard one to see for my old eyes. We'll go 27, and that's 2/3 minus 1/3, which is then 27 to the 1. A little easier than it looks. We want this to the power of 2. So this guy here, most simplified form. You can do whatever you want with this. Bunch of ways to do it. I'll do it this way. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. So that's 2 to the 4 times 2 to the 4, all, oh, that's a 4. Exponent 4, sorry. All to the 3, which is 2 to the 8, all to the 3, which is 2 to this 8, 16, 24, which is B. That's the way I would do it. If you put the 3 on this whole thing, you'd end up with 2 to the 12. Sorry, I'm watching soccer in the background. I don't know if you can hear that. 16 to the 6, which is then 2 to the 4 to the 6. Sound like a bad rapper. 2 to the 12, 24, 12, 24. Did I mess it up? Hold on. I did mess it up. So if I look back here, I forgot. I'm sure some of you were yelling. This should be 2 to the 8. All right, let's do that again. 2 to the 4 times 2 to the 4, and then I forgot this squared, all to the 3. So this is 2 to the 4, and that's 2 to the 8, all to the 3, which is then going to be 2 to the 12, 2 to the 24, which is 2 to the 36. Answer is A. Okay, I forgot this little squared part in there. Okay, and that happens. Did I do that on purpose as a teaching tool? Maybe. You know I didn't. These are fun. And by fun, I mean I like them. 3, 2x plus 1 is equal to. Now we got to write this with the same base. So that's 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 3. 2x is equal to, take that over, x is 1. Go back and check. 3, 2, 1 plus 1 equals 3 to the 3. 3 to 3 is equal to 3 to the 3. Done. Check, check. And the last one, I don't know, a little more difficult here. You're better off going to 2 as your base. So that's 2 cubed all to the 2x minus 6 is equal to, and this guy here is 1 over 16, right? Which 16 is 2 to the 4. So that's going to be 1 over 2 to the 4, which is equal to 2 to the negative 4. So you go 2 to the negative 4, and then you say, let's clean this up. You're going to multiply and then set 6x minus 18 equal to minus 4. So now I'm making the exponents equal. This guy is equal to this guy. And 6x, bring that 18 over. That's going to be plus 18, so that'll be plus 14. And we're left with 14 over 6, which is 7/3, which is hideous. And is that right? Well, let's try it out. 8 to the minus 6 is equal to the 8/14 thirds minus 6, which is equal to 18 to the 14 over 3 minus 18 over 3, which is equal to 18 to the minus 4/3. 18 to the, not 18, 8. Where'd the 18 come? 8 to the minus 4/3. Is that right? Well, that's the third root of 8. Third root of 8 to the power of 4, or negative 4, I guess, which is third root of 8 is 2 to the negative 4, which is 1 over 16. So it's right. Okay, that's hideous. Hopefully you followed it. But the answer is positive 7/3. Okay, that was a tough one. That's all I got.